In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a button on systeme.io. If you're new to systeme.io or you're just looking to optimize your website or sales funnel, you've come to the right place. Setting up a button might seem like a simple task, but a well-designed button can significantly improve your user experience and conversion rates. To start, you'll want to log in to your systeme.io account. Head over to the login page and enter your credentials. If you're not already signed in, this will take just a few moments. Once you're in, you'll notice a clean, intuitive dashboard that makes navigating the platform a breeze. Next, click on Sign In to access your account. This will direct you to your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're there, move your mouse over to the Website tab. This is the hub for all your online content management, including pages, blogs, and more. From there, click on Sales Funnels. This section of systeme.io is particularly useful for anyone looking to drive conversions using this powerful platform. Now here comes the exciting part. You'll have access to a variety of elements, and what you want to do is locate the button element from the left panel. Simply drag this element and drop it onto the section of your page where you desire it to be. This intuitive drag and drop feature makes customizing your page straightforward and fuss-free. After you've placed the button where you want it, the next step is to personalize it to match your brand and message. Click on the Settings button for the button element. Here you'll find several customization options to tailor the button exactly to your needs. Start by deciding what text you want on the button. Whether it's a call to action like buy now or learn more, the text should be clear and compelling. Next, consider the design aspects. Adjust the button's color, font, and size. Don't forget the small details like the rounded corners, which can make your button appear more modern and inviting. Now, it's important to assign an action to your button. Depending on your goals, you can choose from several options. These include submitting a form, which is handy if your button is part of a sign-up process, or opening a URL if you want to redirect your users to another web page. You can also set the button to take users to the next step in your sales funnel, or even display a pop-up window for additional information or promotions. Finally, once you have customized all these settings to your satisfaction, remember to click on Save Changes. This ensures all your hard work is successfully applied and your button is ready to roll. There you have it, a complete guide to setting up a button on systeme.io. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find it becomes an indispensable tool in your digital toolkit. As always, feel free to let us know how it goes in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.